Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and I'm going to show y'all how to solder a vertical fitting with the downflow. So let's do this. It is getting dark out, but come on. Here we go. Going to heat the fitting up. On both sides. Done. That's it. Done. Half inch. That right there is half inch. That's probably the easiest. When you get up into 3/4 and 1 inch, it gets a lot harder, and you need a bigger torch, which I will show y'all soon in another video. But right now I'm just working with some half inch here. So, yep. Alright, thanks for watching and have a nice day.